Merry Christmas, everybody. Bear with me. Hope you enjoy. There's a clock in my head. This is what it said. I'm taping. I got my lady friend cooking for me. No, come on. I love it. I love it. I love it when you're in this. What you got?
You want to put in something this? This is a song?
Not too
Okay.
much. Not too much.
One
Not too
spoon.
much. Just a
One
little bit.
spoon.
Little bit.
One spoon.
They're really I like a fresh garlic. It's better.
Oh.
Don't do too much. Just only thing. Stir it up so that it doesn't burn on the bottom of the pot, because it's going to cook really slowly for 2 hours. She's cooking pernil. Your pernil is the best in the world, Mercury.
All right.
Okay. There's a clock on the wall, ticking for us all. This is what it says. Sometime it's time, you gotta do this and that. You got no time to go sit down and get fat. There's a clock ticking on the wall for us all. There's a time and a place for the whole human race. There's a clock that's ticking for us all.